Almost done. Just 1/4 is remaining.
Less than that, you know.
Yeah, less than 1/4 of the garden. It's a bit of triangular shape, so stop and go back and then do the straight again.
That one.
Yeah, straight again. So the triangular bit.
Okay. Well, like this,
Make sure
and then
about
this, and then that.
make sure about the wire, Shagor. It's not getting under machine. Lots of grass. It's the second bag. The first bag is over there. It's already full.
Third.
Our next door neighbor, they have made a loft, new loft. It's not finished yet. Outside structure is finished, but I think they need to do some interior works. So another 1 week or so, they'll have a new loft. In future, maybe, if we have some money, then we'll make a loft as well. Grass pull kore inside.
Span is only little bits.
Check the basket whether it's already full.
Is it? Less than a quarter.
Shagor has managed to do the whole garden.
And then do up to there, and then straight.
Yeah. Do one more line straight and then you can start from there.
No, Baba. Look, I've got to do from here to there, there to there, there to there.
Okay.
There to there, until I go straight up to there.
Okay. This is our summer house. At this moment, it's full of junk. But sooner or later, I need to clean it up. This is our summer house. Check the basket, Shagor.
Just go back first. Okay. Give it one more.
Shagor, wire is coming under the wheel. Yes, another 10-15 minutes and it should be finished. Okay, thank you very much. And this is what was our first try of Bosch Rotak 34 Agroflex.
Smells
So that's how you need to empty the basket.
smells of apples.
Okay. Slowly, slowly. You don't need to rush. You have to, yes. Pull down. Well done, Baba. Thank you very much.
I was the first one to use the Bosch. Okay, another bag.
How is the machine?
He's easy to use.
Easy to use?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I need another bag.
Okay. So I need to give a
Where from?
helping hand.
Where are they? How many can you record?